Raise your hand if you think I can finish my hair in like 50 minutes. I'm not even necessarily confident in my own ability to do so, but that's the amount of time I have before this meeting. I've been wanting to do this style, and you know how it's like you should have been did something, but you still ain't do it. Yeah, story of my life. So we're gonna try to bang it out super fast. My hair is clean. It's looking a little flaky, but I swear it's clean, guys. I think my plan / method of attack is to do the front of my head first. That way, if the back ain't done, we can rock with that. I'll make it a style. Don't play with me. But yeah, I wanted to retry this style since my hair got a little bit longer. I'm looking crusty, as you can see. Okay, back to the task at hand. So I have my hair right here. We're gonna wet it up. This is a no retwist style, although it is time for me to do a retwist, but I'm trying to wait till around Valentine's Day because, like, trying to be a baddie for that, obviously. 3, and that can be 4. Whoosh. This is in the front, so you already know the vibe. Make it look like you did something with your life, okay? Have no fear, this is a soft bristle brush, not a hard bristle brush. I don't even know how this is gonna turn out, y'all, but I guess we're gonna see, huh? I'm just trying to do something quick for the kids. If you ever hear me use that reference, it's from, y'all remember Auntie Fee? She like, I don't know, something sweet for the kids. Yeah, I just always be thinking about that. If I ever say for the kids, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, one braid took about 2 minutes. Mathematically, if I do my calculations correctly, that means I can do X amount of braids in X amount of time. I'm lying, I'm not really calculating, y'all. I'm not that good at math. But let's go ahead and bang this out. Okay, I have 2 more sections in the front, but look at this new growth really quick. It's retwist time. In the front is done. Does this look janky or no? Should I fix that? I do have 30 minutes before this meeting, so I am gonna start on the back.
Yes, ma'am. A lot of water under the bridge.
Some of the old songs.
Yes, ma'am.
You must not know about me. You must not know about me. Okay, but for real, it's 9:58. My meeting is in literally 2 minutes. So I'm gonna come back after the meeting and show y'all, you know, like after I moisturize my face and stuff. But this is what it's looking like. I redid this one up here. Do I like these? I don't know. I might pin them down, pin them back, something. I might let them rock. I have it just like in a little messy ponytail right here because that's kind of like how that looks. But quick little under an hour style, and yeah, I'm gonna see y'all back at the takedown. Okay, we're gonna take it down now. It's been 2 days. They're still intact. No rubber bands have popped. Oh, the devil is a lie. Anyways, we're gonna take it down now. I have this LEK Naturals finishing and shine oil. It's literally barely any. It's barely any oil in here, but that is okay. I'm wondering what I should start from. Let's just start back there. I'm finna put on a show, so I'm not gonna talk. Currently watching All of Us Are Dead on Netflix. If you're into scary stuff, watch it. If you're not into scary stuff, don't even try it, y'all. Do not even try it. This is what the curls are looking like. Waves curls. I actually really like it. It's crazy to see how my hair has like gotten so much thicker and longer since I first did a braid out. I'm gonna like insert some clips from the first time I did one, but y'all, my hair is just so much thicker now. Like, this is crazy. This is what it looks like up close. Obviously near the roots it's gonna be wavier than it is like some of these pieces. That's a little chunker munker. It's a little hard to like get those ones fully waved down, but I hope when my hair gets longer it'll be able to do it more, or rather I'm braiding like more even pieces. Like, this was kind of an even braid length all around, so I feel like it helps it get a wave all the way around. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching me do this little hectic random last minute style. I'm actually very happy with the way that it turned out. I'm not used to curling my locks yet, but hopefully I will be exploring that more in the future. Thanks for coming along with me as always, and I hope I see y'all in the next video. Bye.